There's gotta be a way for you and me to taste this fruit without losing. And doesn't it feel strange to you to waste this groove by not moving? And maybe you and me can just agree to see what happens when we're weak. Make some moves, unlace our shoes. Don't speak. It doesn't really feel natural to dance this close without some sort of conclusion. And we're both doing just a little too much to pretend that we don't know what we're doing. Just like the dawning of a million suns. Just like a ganglion of lightnings for my wonder. Just like the dawning of a million suns. Just like a ganglion of lightnings for my wonder. Maybe we could smash the myth of genius with the rise and the bars on the house.